Hi everyone, it's Tiffany. Um, I traded KSS this morning and it opened weak. It had gapped down and it was on short selling restriction. I really was trying to wait the first 15 minutes to get into this trade, but I was paying close attention to the 1 minute chart, and as you can see at the open, it was very weak on great volume. And then as it came back up to test the VWAP, I noticed that it was having a really hard time making it there on quite low volume. This wick right here was some pretty good volume, but it looked like it was really struggling to make it to the VWAP. So watching it on the 5 minute, there was a nice bear opening candle and it was coming back. I decided to go short when it couldn't make it past this 20 moving average right here. And I gave this stock a lot of room because I know I've mentioned before that when a stock is on short selling restriction, I like to give it a little bit of room. I was not expecting this 1 minute candle to shoot up like that to the VWAP and fail, but I mean, I took that as a good sign for me being short. And then this is where I poorly managed it. I took partial here at the low of the day, and then it just flattened out, and I just lost my patience with it. So I went ahead and got out. This was not a great risk to reward trade. I am very sad to see how far down it went after I just got out for no reason other than boredom. And I was in another trade trying to focus on that one. Then I traded HD. Again, this stock opened quite weak. As you can see, this 1 minute candle, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute, all weak candles. And so I was watching it to see how it was going to treat the VWAP after the first 15 minute candle closed. And as you can see, it started rounding here at the VWAP, and it made a new 5 minute low, and that is where I decided to take it short. As you can see right here on the 1 minute, it came up and tested this 50 moving average, and because it was very weak at the open, I was looking at it for a short. Once it made a new low on the 5 minute and the 1 minute, I went short, and my stop loss was right above this 50 on the 1 minute. So as you can see, it came up and barely missed stopping me out. My target was to make it down to this previous day close, and I took heavy partial on when it first hit that previous day close, which is also the low of the day. And then as you can see on the 1 minute, the volume came in and there was a hammer candle, and then it started making new highs. So I went ahead and partialed most of my position. And then it started looking like a double bottom, and these the 9 and the 20 crossed and was moving up, and this 50 was coming down to meet it. So I went ahead and exited the rest of my position because it looked like it was reversing. But yes, those were my trades today, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.